Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, helpwithgadgets.edc, and we're going to do a little disassembly and cleaning of this really cool little knife here, the Keanison Basset Hound. If you haven't watched the unboxing video or unpackaging video, please do so. Pretty cool presentation method that he did with this knife, as well as some cool swag that was packaged along with it. So that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave any comments, and I'll try to respond to any of the comments as quickly as I can. But so what we're going to do is do a disassembly and cleaning of this, and then they also sent along these non-anodized pivot collars, and I'm going to trade those out for the teal ones here. The teal ones are cool, but I think it might look I think it'll look pretty cool with the non-anodized ones as well. So we're going to try that out. We'll say right off the bat, T8s for the pocket clip, the body screw, as well as the pivot. I think that's pretty cool. I may be saying cool a few too many times on this video, but I think it is really neat that even a smaller knife like this that they use T8s. Alright. When at first you don't succeed in trying from one side of the knife, then you go to the other side. Alright. And I just got this in yesterday. I've been carrying it, and I've probably flipped it what feels to be about 1,000 times. I don't know if that's the case or not, but it kind of feels that way. Alright, let's see if we can get this to come apart. There we go. Okay. The washer there, we'll wipe that down here in a little bit. Come on now. There we go. Throw that in the alcohol there. We'll get that pivot collar off. Get that washer and the pivot in the alcohol. Got a titanium backspacer there. It's got pins as well as the screws holding it in. Alright. Pretty straightforward, it would appear. So let's go ahead and wipe that down. Repair tweezers and see if I can easily get that to move. Yeah. Well, I'll let it slip back into place, and the viscosity of the oil is keeping it suctioned down there. I don't know if that's actually the terminology that I should have used, but it sounded cool at least. Maybe. Some of you are probably laughing at me right now. Anyhow, there we go. Got that. So we're just going to wipe it down. Look at that. Teal, I think they call that just camo carbon or fat carbon. Camo carbon. Teal camo carbon. Looks really cool. Whoop. drop the stop pin. We don't want to lose that. And I'm going to make sure that I wipe that lock bar off. Get down in the pivot. Grab the blade. Clean both sides of that. And the detent ball track. I'm going to grab a and while I've got that, I'm going to clean those areas there and on the inside of the knife as well. This was already pretty clean, but doesn't hurt to check areas and make sure they're clean. Alright, let's get these drying here. And that's just a simple pivot. Simple is not bad. Alright. Actually, so far the knife has been very cool. It is it's a little smaller than what I usually carry, but thus far it's actually really cool. All right, let's get the. All right, that's with just the non-anodized, and that's with the teal. Y'all can tell me what you think, if which one you like. It's easy enough to switch these back if I want to, so no big deal on that. All right, you can tell that on this side it's got the D-shaped space there, and we've also got the D on the pivot itself, so just have to try to line that up. I'm going to go ahead and set this pivot, the backspacer in, and get it lined up as well. Let's put the there we go. Let's put the washer in, and I'm going to use a little bit of Gunny Glide here. Again, I don't usually put a whole lot on, just a couple of drops on each side, and sometimes I will put a little down there in the hole in the blade for the pivot. Ah, messed up already. Let's pull that back out and pull that bearing out. I was about to have a mess, is what I was about to have. We'll check and see, that's the side with the markings on it. That would not have been good if I'd got that all together and figured out that I had left the washer out. For one, it would have probably been very difficult to get the blade centering correct, and action would have probably been trash. But that's just me guessing. Alright, we'll put the stop pin in. Don't want to forget that either. Make sure I haven't forgotten anything else. I'm going to put that one there. Put a little dab of oil there on the pivot, on the detemp ball. And let's see if I can get this in place. Looks like it slid down there fairly easy. I'm going to grab that pivot screw, and I did not clean that pivot screw, so let's do that right quick. Normally I just like to take that pivot screw and run the threads through using my fingernail and a cotton swab to clean those off. Very, very clean looking pivot screw as well. Dab a little of the Loctite stick on there and tighten it down. We're not going to crank down too far. I just want to make sure that it's okay, looking pretty good. Let's put the body screws in, and I want to check all 4 of them since I did loosen. Get that one to line up and go in. There we go. And we'll tighten those body screws. Alright folks, let me know in the comments whether or not you like the teal color on the collars, or if you like the non-anodized ones better. There we go with the finished product. Let's check still a little bit of play there. Tighten it up just a hair. Still a tad. And I think that's got it. Very smooth. Alright. So there you have it. Disassembly and cleaning of the Keanison knives Basset Hound. Great knife so far. Although this isn't the review as of yet, I'm still going to carry it for a few days and see how I like it. But thus far, the results of the review process are looking pretty good for it. I think there may be a few of these left. If you haven't grabbed one, you might want to check one out. And again, appreciate everybody watching. Hope to see you again soon. Thank y'all for watching.